Okay, I had water puddling out of the floor on my KitchenAid refrigerator freezer with the drawer on the bottom. So, ice was all built up in the lower underneath the rack. So I took the door off and I took the racks out. Everything was a 1/4 inch screw on the side and clips. Then I found the drain pan had a layer of ice in it, and I just melted most of it with a hair dryer and found that the water is not draining down the cup hole there. I know they sell an aftermarket or a retrofit drain trap for these because they came with a little spout that closes shut. So that's as far as I got so far. Alright, so here's the back of it. All it is this little, I'm trying to get a picture of it. This little suction cup looking thing that likes to stick shut. So you can buy the retrofit kit and they give you a drain trap, but I'm just gonna shove a little straw in there. So I cut a little tiny piece of straw, drinking straw, and I'm just putting it in there, so it'll help keep it open. All right, melt 100% of the ice out of the inside of there, or shut it off unplug the whole freezer for 24 hours and leave the door open. And then you don't have to disassemble anything. But point is, if you leave any ice in there, it will just build up on it and it will never go away on its own. So you have to either unplug it for a full 24 hours or take it apart and defrost every bit of it with a hair dryer. Okay, so now we're gonna reassemble. That's the temperature sensor. That's the plug for the ice maker. There's the fan. Okay, so here's the back panel. This one clips in. This way. Pause. Okay, you fish it all the way through there. Then that clicks out. Then, okay, get the little tube through there. And grab the sensor. Okay. So back while on there, fish the sensor through there. That just clips in. All right, pause. Okay. 4 screws in the back corner. This, I can't remember how that went either. Oh, that didn't even go. All right, this one just clips in. Okay, that just clips in. To get it out, because the tube clips up in the top corners, push them in with a screwdriver.